An NHS worker says she's extremely anxious and stressed that she could lose her job because she refuses to take the vaccine.
Yeah, Miriam Brewer, who works as a medical secretary at the Worcestershire Acute Hospitals NHS Trust, says she feels coerced into putting something into her body that she doesn't want.
Well, it comes as new rules from April mean NHS staff face the sack if they're not fully vaccinated. Our West Midlands reporter Balvinder Sidhu has been to meet her.
Miriam Brewer has dedicated more than 20 years of her life working for the NHS. She says she's devastated she could lose her job because she doesn't want to take the Covid vaccine.
It's caused massive anxiety, massive levels of stress. I've had to arrange counselling for myself. It's been the most stressful thing I've ever gone through in my life because I never thought I've never been in a group of people who have been discriminated against or been made to feel like, you know, I'm sort of less of a part of society because of a choice that I've made.
From April this year, the government wants all frontline NHS workers to be fully vaccinated. Mirren works as a medical secretary at Worcestershire Acute Hospitals NHS Trust. She says she doesn't believe she's a risk because she's already had coronavirus.
My family, we all had COVID a couple of months ago. We therefore would have natural immunity. And I'm not saying that it hasn't protected vulnerable people and things like that. I do think that it has made a difference. But for someone like myself, I don't feel that it would be of benefit to me. And so therefore, I don't feel that it's selfish for me to have some thought to my own health.
She's not alone. According to figures, the NHS could lose 78,000 workers through the vaccine mandate. In a statement, the Deputy Chief Executive of the Worcestershire Acute NHS Hospitals Trust has said that they're encouraging all of their employees to get fully vaccinated. However, they are still waiting for detailed national guidance from the government, and there is a possibility that those unvaccinated staff could be redeployed elsewhere within the Trust. But while they're still waiting for that guidance, their priority remains the safety of all patients and staff.
I feel very coerced into having to try and make this decision because our livelihoods depend on it. My husband also works for the same trust, so for us to both lose our jobs will be absolutely catastrophic for us financially.
Mirren says she hopes joining a union will help, but says the uncertainty continues to cause her great anxiety. Balvinder Sidhu for GB News.
I wonder what you think. Well, in response, the Department of Health and Social Care spokesperson has said NHS and care staff do amazing work and we're thankful to those who have chosen to get the vaccine. They are responsible for looking after some of the most vulnerable at-risk people. This is about patient safety and making sure people in hospital are protected as much as possible. And vaccinations are our best defence against Covid-19.